Oh my God, guys. Can you believe it? They put out new firmware and presets today. Let's go check it out. Okay guys, the easiest way to do this would be to click on the links that I put in the description, and that's cool. Otherwise, you can go to fractalaudio.com, go up here to support, click on it. You see where it says downloads, go over here to AXFX3. And if you look down here, you can see that there's firmware version 16.04 of Cygnus, just released today. And here's the updated factory preset banks, just released today. You can take a look at my episodes 1 and 2 for instructions on how to update the firmware and how to update the presets. This is just a real short one, guys. I just wanted to get this information out there to you because it just got posted today. Oh, and it'd be great if you'd hit that like and subscribe button. No need to smash anything unless you're on a Pete Townsend kick. All right, so I will see you Friday for the next regular episode. Thanks much, guys. Bye now.